Guys. So I am Vikram Hunt, pre-final year in Savita Engineering College. So this is a demo for our pro our solution for the problem statement. Okay. A solution for the problem statement. So before going into that, let us give a small gist about what we're going to talk about. So we have taken the domain on healthcare. So for that, we are just searching for what kind of problems has been faced in the healthcare sector. That we found out that in recent days, many elderly people or busy scheduled people are having facing issues in consulting a doctor. Maybe it could be they couldn't able to go at the time, or due to commute problems, or they are having a busy schedule in that. So what we are trying to give is that we are going to provide a platform where this kind of people can able to schedule their general meetings or consultations so in such a way that they could not miss their doctor's appointment. Along with that, we have providing an AI summarizer where at the end of the meeting, if the person who left or who just missed some points, they could be reading at the end of the meeting such that they are not missing out any part which has been mentioned by the doctor. And in the doctors also, we have given a place where they could upload their prescription, and by uploading it, the patients could directly able to import it, and they could able to create a reminder out of it such that they can able to track of their medicinal day by day. So by this they can able to reduce the health complications even more further. So let's get started. So this is a basic interface which we are gonna see. So which is known as MediConnect, which has been named. So it's a unified portal, as it's mentioned. So a comprehensive healthcare ecosystem where connecting doctors, patients, and guardians. So in this, guardians are a future plans where, if in the case now have been talked about the educated people, so they could able to use internet, and they could able to use how the websites has been working and so on. But if a person is uneducated, for them, what is the kind of scenario? We need to have a guardian who's an educated person to guide them. So which is a future plan. So for now, we have been providing with the two portals for doctor and patient. So we'll just get started with a patient one. So in this, which goes for the creation of account, so let's just create a sample account with test 7, or sorry, it's for the name, and this for mail id, and let's just give some random placeholder number. So okay, a simple password. So what I'll be doing is that after registration, you need to give your password again. So just for double verification, not directly logging into the dashboard. So this will be the dashboard for the patient's view, where they could able to track down what are the appointments they have been given, and what are all the prescriptions recently given by the doctor. So this is a daily reminders which has been given, and also we have given a notification place where they could be able to seeing what kind of notifications, like cancellation of the appointment, or rescheduling of the appointment, or doctor is unavailable, so that kind of notifications. So let's just book an appointment, for instance, which take. So in this, they'll be showing a n number of doctors. So what we did is that we just categorize the doctor, and the patient who just wants to consult a specific one, they can able to consult with them. So for this instance, let us have a test doc which has been created before, but for now, for the testing purpose, so let's just book him. So which you need to be mentioning. So as of now, I'll just mention today's date, and what's the timing. Okay, 20th. So let's just keep 2026, and so 5 p.m., which is an optimal nearest time for us for now. So boom, that's all. You just created an appointment with the doctor. So when you go to the dashboard, you can able to see that upcoming appointment by joining the call and notification you have been created an appointment. So this is a basic outline for the patient side. So to check on the doctor side, how it will be is that okay, for now we have seen in the side of patient's dashboard and what kind of fields has been given to the patient. So let's take a look at the doctor side. So as we just booked the doctor test doc, so we'll just log in into as a test doc. So this is a portal for the doctor where you could be able to saying now only we have been booked it, so which could be displayed in here. So in this where the doctors could can able to upload their prescription to the selected patient. So it will be listing out the patient. So for in case if we take the doctor has been forward to upload his prescription, so in that case he or she could be uploading from here. So there's a notification as same and profile. So doctors could able to change their profile as it could. And also we have general settings and security stuff. So let's get started with the actual demo. So what we'll be doing is that we'll be just connecting with the doctor. So we are the doctor in this demo session. So I have connected with the patient side in my another laptop. So just a moment, I'll just log in. So we'll just take my face ID and it's working. So so as you can So as you can see that I have connected with another device and I just started to speak in this. So for nearby devices, so for that I just reduced my volume in both the sides. So what I'll be doing is that I'll just give a basic commands like whatever doctor consults to the patient. So by giving that, so I'll just off this video on the patient side. So what I'll be doing is that now I'll just give her some text or few things to the patient so in such a way that which could be summarized by the AI. So just wait and watch. So the patient needs to be taking a bed rest for 3 days and he needs to be taking a medications like paracetamol and erythromycin for the next 3 days and he also needs to be coming for the another checkup after a week. So that's all. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you could ask me. So, for instance, what I did is that I just acted like a doctor and giving some tips to the patient, like a general consultation. So, in the scenario where patient has been a sick person, like having a general fever or flu in this common time. So, what we'll be doing is that we'll just cut the call. So, in doctor side also in doctor and patient in both the sides where it will be asking is that it will be generating a summarized report to the both of them. So see, it has been generated as a consultation summary, so where the doctor and patient and with what kind of disease he has been having. So it could be a general flu, a fever or a flu. So the symptoms is fever and flu. So as I said, the medications which are paracetamol and erythromycin. So the advice which has been given. So what I'm trying to do is that if the patient forgets something important which has been mentioned by the doctor, he or she could catch up at last. So he or she could have, can also able to take a copy and keep it for themselves for the future references. So this is a side of a doctor. And also I just if I'm a doctor I forgot about the prescription. So what I can do is that going to the prescription side of the doctor and selecting the particular appointment which has been upcoming, but we just attended for the demo session. So I'll be uploading a document. So let's search for medications. So medical prescription, which has been having a sample doc. So what it will doing is that we have just uploaded it. So in doctor side also, to have a proper information, we have given that scan with AI and download PDF for their future references. So any medication updates is needed, they can also do it in here. So let's just move with patient side. So what kind of changes has been happening in patient side? Oh, sorry, we just landed in the wrong page. Okay, now we have that appointment, and in reminders we have nothing. So as you can see that the prescription which is uploaded by the doctor has been updated in here. So just give scan with AI. So what it will be doing is that it will be taking all the medicines which has been prescribed by the doctor, and it will be taking out the reminder or the short summary of it, and it will be asking to create a reminder with it. So if you just give a create reminder, so when you go to the reminder site, so you could see, you could able to track what are all medicines which has been prescribed by the doctor. So he or she can able to track down their progress. So for how much days has been given. So in this case, they are having given 4 medicines, so taken 0. So let's take just now it's a morning and he has been prescribed. So we took the medicines, so which could be tracked easily, and you could be also say, and you could be also saving how much percentage has been done for the particular day. And if the patient also wants to add some reminder to themselves, like which has been not mentioned in the prescription, he or she also can able to update it on their own. So this is a notification as I mentioned. So this is a basic demo for our MediConnect, where people can able to consult doctors for their general consultation, or if they want regular checkups through online, and they can also have a short summary of what the conversation has been happening between the doctor and the patient, and reminder which could be created from the prescription which has been given by the doctor. So so the in case of you may thinking like what kind of security have been used in this. So for in case of security, we have been for users data, we use MongoDB's security, and for passwords we have been using bcrypt, so which generally safeguards your password. And to add our future enhancements, we have been trying to integrate with doctor's license, and how the doctor, like we need basic authentication for the doctor that he or she is a legitimate doctor to consult the patient. And also we are having a patient history where the patients could upload their older kind of any illness or conditions which can be mentioned to the doctor. So he or she, the doctor, when they started to, before consulting, they could have some idea about that. If they have some allergies towards the particular medicine, they may avoid it. So this is a general overview about our MediConnect. Thank you.